So people keep asking me, how do I create so many videos, don't have any work to do? Well, what I do is quite simple. Every week, I make a list of videos that I want to do, keep that list on my phone, I sit down, I batch record them in a big chunk. Sometimes I do ad hoc ones like this, I've got some ideas, but generally I do them in a big batch. Then I get them to my video editor and they sort out the descriptions, make the shorts, publish them, schedule them. The same with my posts on social media, plan them all out, what I want to share it all in one go, because I don't have the time to sit there every day creating content. That would be crazy. If you want to copy my process, I'm happy to share. I've got a kind of workflow that I work through, a cadence process that I work through. And what I also do, which I highly recommend, is I ask AI to suggest key areas that I could concentrate and focus on to make sure I'm talking to the right kind of audience. So I have an avatar of who I want to speak to, and that's got quite a lot of description. AI, ChatGPT, whatever, has that description. So when it's creating stuff, it's for that audience. So I'm not just talking to everyone. I'm quite specific of who I'm talking to. And that really helps, I think, trying to focus down on what you're talking about, how you're talking about it. And obviously, as I get better at doing these videos, the quality gets better. I'm revisiting some of the older topics and redoing them. So I hope that's useful. But yes, obviously, I do have work to do. I don't just sit there all day creating videos, believe it or not. Okay, that's great. I hope that helps, and have a great day. And yeah, I have to say, creating videos has been great in terms of getting people to know who I am and what I do. So if you want to know more about that, get in touch. Speak to you soon.